Hello guys, and welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to do again a very simple stitch pattern. So I'm going to use my acrylic yarn, my 4mm crochet hook. Of course, you can use any yarn of your choice depending on the project that you're going to do. So let's get started. So for this stitch pattern, our foundation chain should be in multiples of 4. So again, depending on what project you're doing, make your foundation chain multiple of 4. So I have made my foundation chain, and start with our first row. We're going to make 1 single crochet on the second chain from the hook. We're going to skip 1 chain, and on the next chain we're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. So I have made 3 double crochets and 2 chain 1 spaces. So again, we're going to skip the next chain, and we're going to make 1 single crochet on the next chain. So this will be our repeat. Skip 1 chain. On the next chain, we're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet, chain 1, and 1 last double crochet. Skip 1 chain, single crochet on the next chain, and that will be our repeat until we reach the last chain. We're going to make 1 double crochet on our last chain. So skip 1 chain again. On the next chain, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1 again, and last double crochet. Skip 1 chain and then 1 single crochet on the next. Skip 1 chain, and we're going to repeat our 3 double crochets with chain 1 in between. On the single crochet that we made here, we're going to make our 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. And on the middle double crochet of the previous row, we're going to make our single crochet. And next stitch will be on the single crochet. So we're going to make our 3 double crochets and chain 1 in between. Single crochet on top of the second double crochet of the previous row. Then again on the chain 1 that we made. By the way, you can change colors for this pattern depending if you want to be an alternating different color, or 2 colors of the same and alternating another color for another 2 rows. So single crochet again on the middle double crochet of the previous row. Then repeat your 3 double crochet, chain 1 in between. single crochet again, so this is just a very easy repeat pattern, just a 1-row repeat pattern. Then single crochet, and on our turning chain we are going to make 1 double crochet. The turning chain is this one, because this is the last double crochet that we did. Our turning chain will be here, and we're going to make 1 double crochet. So we're just going to repeat row 2. So chain 1 and turn, and we're going to make 1 single crochet here on the same chain, and on the chain 1 we're going to make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet. And here on the middle double crochet we're going to make our single crochet. So that will be our repeat for your entire project. Just make your foundation chain multiple of 4, and this is just a 1-row repeat pattern. It's so easy, just making a single crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. So again, thank you for joining me today. I hope you learned a thing or two. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our video. Happy crocheting everyone, and God bless.